Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. I arrived here in a city that's called Boom, B-O-O-M. And I'm walking here next to a river. And this river connects with the river Scheldt, and this one is called Ruppel. I don't know what that means exactly, but that's what it is. So I arrived in this town, and I'm looking around to find something interesting to see. So I don't know yet. I know there is seems to be low tide. I know there is a little ferry that crosses the river there. Maybe, I don't know if it's going in the winter time, but the weather is kind of miserable right now. So let's see if it's going. If so, we cross the river. Well guys, apparently the boat goes on the hour and on the half hour, so it's another 15 minutes wait or something. You know, they should just cross the river whenever there are people, because it's kind of dead here. Yeah. So here, guys, the entrance that you just saw from the water, this is the canal where the boats can come in, but it's blocked off and it's low tide, so then they have to open this giant door for the boats to come through. Look at that. And in the old days, apparently, I think I'm gonna show you that in a minute. In the old days, apparently, there were guys who pulled the boats through it by hand, well, by manpower, but that's been a long time ago. But I'm just taking a little detour because somebody told me that there is some leftover from the war here. And look at that. We have an old tank sitting here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, this was also kind of a battleground way back then, unfortunately. And yeah, not too far from here, like only about 3 kilometers from here, there is there is still a concentration camp that was used in the war by the enemy to round up people, and sad story, but it is. And these are all remnants still from the war. Let's see what it says here on the tank. Oh, it just said that this tank was a gift from somebody. And this is, yeah, right now used as for pleasure boats, basically. I don't even know if big ships are still coming through here. And guys, you see that church there? I was told that that church doesn't any longer serve as a church, but believe it or not, it is converted into a toy store and games, games store. Let's see if it's open. Should go in and take a look. But I was told too that it was by appointment only. But yeah, I'm still taking a look. See? This is a picture of the inside of the church. But it's all games now and toys basically. Isn't that something? Let's see if So yes guys, this church is converted into a not toy store but game store. They sell all kinds of games and stuff. It's amazing. Unbelievable. Take a look guys, we can go in. I talked with the owner and he is okay with me filming in here. So take a look. Look at this. This is unbelievable. This is amazing. This is amazing. An amazing concept. And there are games upon games. Look at this. It's huge. And that's the owner of the store there. Take a look at the glass stained window. It's amazing. And the church is in unbelievably good state of repair. Holy. little tiny town, and I don't know why the church was abandoned, but apparently for the last 15 years it was a museum or something. Yeah, an organ museum. So, but now this guy took it over, and now it's a toy store. It is amazing. Look at this, guys. I just came up to the store here, and this is a chocolate store. Take a look. So I'll let you look inside, see chocolates, but look at the full-size mannequins they have in there. Look. That's a neat store. And different and unusual stuff they sell here. Take a look. This is chocolate and marzipan, and look at that. I hope you guys can see it with the glare of the window, but it's definitely a different, unusual store. And with this, guys, I'm making my way back to the bus station because it started raining about half an hour ago, and it's not so fun to walk outside anymore. So, okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and see you soon in another video. Bye bye.
Close to the sun.